The FUTO Alumni Biennial Lecture is the foremost technology and engineering public lecture in Nigeria that explores issues of the day and prefers solutions for the growth and development. This year's lecture is the sixth in the series since 2006. The topic is the pursuit of exponential development. Lecture to be delivered by the globally renowned and multiple patent holder in electronics, Professor Ndubisi Ekekwe. The keynote speech is to be delivered by Kingsley Fregene, a principal researcher at Lockheed Martin and multiple patent holder in AI and robotics and unnamed systems. Both are FUTO graduates. Other lectures participants are Dr. Sam Amadi, former chairman of Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, Engineer John Ugbe, MD, MultiChoice Nigeria, Engineer Kasim Ali, President Koren, Linder Madu, Associate Director, Corporate Development Nest Oil, amongst others. The date is the 24th of October by 11 a.m. at the Nigerian Institute of International Affairs, Victoria Island, Lagos. Register on www.thebls.org.ng. Be there.